Good morning students, and this is your general knowledge class. And today we are going to do some current affairs. Okay, what is going around us? Now I am showing you the first question. And our first question is, who has been appointed as the new election commissioner? And the answer is Rajiv Kumar. Now I will show you the picture of Rajiv Kumar and I will explain you about Rajiv Kumar. This is the picture of Rajiv Kumar, who is our present election commissioner. And see some description about Rajiv Kumar. Former Finance Secretary Rajiv Kumar, who retired earlier this year, is appointed as election commissioner. And in the next general election that is going to be held in 2024, according to his seniority. Now next question is, who won the gold medal at World Wrestling Championship 2021? And she was Priya Malik. I am showing you the picture of Priya Malik, and this event was just on the second day of the Mirabai Chanu won the silver in Olympic. This is the picture of Priya Malik. See here, Indian wrestler Priya Malik has won a gold medal at 2021 World Cadet Wrestling Championship. Men's top women wrestler. And this news came just a day after Mirabai Chanu won silver in the Tokyo Olympics. And which country is hosting the Summer Olympics 2021? Japan. And in which city? Tokyo. And now I am showing you see here, in Olympic Games, my dear, these 5 rings are the symbol of 5 continents. Okay, they unite and play this games. Means all the 5 continents are participating in Olympic Games. The Summer Olympic Games, also known as the Games of the Olympiad, are a major international multi-sport event normally held once every 4 years. The game was first held in 1896 in Athens, Greece, and are currently being held in 2021 in Tokyo, Japan. And each time the host, another country is hosting the game. After every 4 years, it happens in the another country. Which Indian girl brought silver medal in weightlifting Tokyo Olympic? And she is Mirabai Chanu. And she is also from Manipur, my dear, from where Mary Kom belongs. See here. This is the picture of Mirabai Chanu when she came back from Tokyo Olympic, when she landed on in India's airport. Okay, this is the picture of Mirabai Chanu. Now here are some information about Mirabai Chanu. She was born on 8 August 1994. She is Indian weightlifter. She won silver medal at 2020 Summer Olympics in women's 49 kg. Mirabai Chanu has won world championships and multi-medals at the common. Here will be 2021. Okay. see which state has grown new varieties of nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables. Which state? And that is Punjab. And in that which city? Then that is Amritsar. And what is new varieties of nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables? Means different types of fruits which are having different types of nutrients in it. Now I am showing you this vegetables, and then the picture of some nuts and fruits are here. See here, fruits and vegetables contains important vitamins and minerals and plant chemicals. They also contain fiber. There are many varieties of fruits and vegetables available and many ways to prepare, cook and serve them. And what is the main thing? We should try to use the fruits and vegetables without spoiling their nutrients. Means it should be fresh, it should be washed before eating, it should be not kept in dirty place, it should be kept in clean place, because a diet high in fruits and vegetables can help protect you against cancer, diabetes, heart disease. My dear, it is also fruits and vegetables are also called protective fruits. So definitely if it is protective fruit, it will protect us from many disease. And we have studied that eat 5 kinds of vegetables and 2 kinds of fruit every day for good health. And we should change also. If we are changing the fruits or cereals or seeds or vegetables and eating, then our body is having all type of nutrients. Otherwise, if 1 or 2 nutrients is lacking in our body, we can have deficiency and we will have to suffer from that deficiency. See here again some information about that. Most Australians do not eat enough fruit and vegetables. When buying and serving fruits and vegetables, aim for variety to get the most nutrients and appeal. This only I have explained right now, that we should change. Suppose today I have ate banana, tomorrow I should purchase mango, day after tomorrow guava, day after tomorrow pomegranate. We should change. That's why if you will see in good diet, it is told that mix the food grains and eat. Because if you are mixing, you are getting all types of nutrients in your body. So like that only, not only food grains, we should mix and eat the fruits also and vegetables also, because this is good for our health. Now next question is, who is the Vice President of India? And all of you are knowing who is the President of India? Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. And Vice President is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Now I am showing you the picture of M. Venkaiah Naidu. See here, this is the picture of M. Venkaiah Naidu. Here is the full name of M. Venkaiah Naidu. Mupavarapu Venkaiah Naidu. He is an Indian politician and current Vice President of India and the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Who is the Vice President of India? He is only the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay? In office since 11 August 2017. A prominent leader of Bharatiya Janata Party, he also served as its national president from 2002 to 2004. And who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha? And answer is Om Birla. Beta, if you are watching the news these days, you can see the picture of Om Birla, because he is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. and Lok Sabha is running right now. It is another thing that some politician are creating some problem. This is the picture of Om Birla. Now see, here are few sentences about Om Birla. That he is an Indian politician who is the 17th and current Speaker of Lok Sabha, and he serves a member of Parliament for Kota Bundi constituency in Rajasthan. Prior to Parliament, he was elected thrice to the Assembly of Rajasthan, and he belongs to the Bharatiya Janata Party. In short, we are telling it BJP. Now next question is, in which state has the Indian Army inaugurated the first green solar energy harnessing plant? And the answer is Sikkim. Now I am showing you the picture. See, picture of this plant. Indian Army inaugurates first solar energy harnessing plant of 56 kVA in North Sikkim. And this is the solar panel through which electricity is produced. This is because this is a renewable energy, and it is first green solar energy harnessing plant in North Sikkim. Thank you dear for watching this video. Hope you all will write in very good and beautiful handwriting in your copy. But first give date and HW. Thank you.